friends, welcome to KVR Maths Academy. In this video, let's discuss 3, 4, 5 problems in exercise 5.4 in quadratic equations of 10th class mathematics, right? So before doing these problems, friends, please subscribe my YouTube channel, those who are not subscribed yet. Thank you. Yes, let's do the problems. Yeah, this is the third question. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. See, is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and its area is 800 meters square? Has clearly given. So, length is twice its breadth. Suppose breadth be x meters, then it will be 2x, right? Next, the area will be given that 800 meter squares. Is it possible to design this type of rectangular mango grove he has given? Yes, compulsory we can design this type of mango grove, right? Yes. Solution. Yes, it is possible to design a rectangular mango grove. Why? Because we have done so many problems according to these sums, right? So many problems we have done. Yes. So let us take. Let the breadth of the rectangle, let breadth of the rectangle be x meters, right? Be x meters. Then length is equal to how much? How much? It's twice of its breadth only, na? So that is equal to 2x meters. Right. Now area is equal to what is that? L into B only, na? L into B, that is equal to 2x into x, that is 2x square. But according to the problem, area of the rectangle how much has given? 800 meters square. According to the problem, yes, 2x square is equal to how much? 800. So x square is equal to 800 by 2, that is 400 only. X square is equal to 400. That implies x is equal to root of 400. So that is equal to x is equal to plus or minus 20. So which means here minus 20 cannot be taken. Why? Because here length of the size of the side should not be negative, right? So x is equal to minus 20 can't be take. Therefore breadth is equal to 20 meters and length is equal to 2x only, not 2 into 20, that is equal to 40 meters. Have you understood clearly? Yes, note it down. Next, fourth question. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. Is the situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. See, the sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. Is the situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. The situation is possible or not? Let us check. Right? Yeah. Solution. Here, the sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. The sum of the ages of two friends is equal to 20 years, right? Let the present age of first person is equal to x. Let us take x years, right? The present age of second person, how much then? Second person, here sum of ages of 2 years, 2 friends is 20 years. Suppose first person age is x years, not xy here, x years. So the age of second person will be how much? Yes, 20 minus x only na. Yes, 20 minus x years, right? Yeah. He has given another condition. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. 4 years ago, the age of first person is equal to how much? Yes, 4 years ago means x minus 4 only na, x minus 4. Next, 4 years ago, the age of second person is equal to 20 minus x minus 4 only na. Yes, 20 minus 4 is 16 minus x years. 4 years ago, the age of first person will be x minus 4 years. 4 years ago, the age of second person will be 16 minus x years, right? Yes, according to the problem, 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48 years, right? According to the problem, x minus 4 into 16 minus x is equal to how much? Is 48. 48. Now multiply this one, x into 16, 16x minus x into x square minus into plus minus 4 into 16, 64 minus into minus plus 4 into x, 4x is equal to 48. Right here minus x square is there, so these transfer into this side. Right, this will be yes 48 minus 16x plus x square plus 64 minus 4x is equal to 0. Right, yes, see this is first x square, right, and x square. See minus 16x minus 4x minus 20x. 48 plus 64 how much? Plus 112 is equal to 0. 112. This is quadratic equation we got. X square minus 20x plus 112. So for 112 find the factors for getting 20 is 16 7s 112 not coming. 4 how many times? Yes, 4 2s 8, 4 8 it is also not coming 20. Second table also not cancel. Next 8 14s also not coming 20. Let us check b square minus 4ac. Let us check b square minus 4ac. Delta. Let us find delta is equal to b square minus 4ac na. So b square means minus 20 whole square. Minus 20 whole square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 112. A is 1 and c is 112. So 20 square means 400 minus 4 2s 8, 4 1s 4, 4 1s 4, 448 minus 448 has come. So this is less than 0. So minus 48 only. 400 minus 448 will be minus 48. Minus 48 is less than 0. So it has no real roots. It has no real roots. The given kind of situation cannot possible. Have you understood? Right on. Here no real roots. No real roots. Therefore the above situation cannot be possible. Have you understood clearly? Yes, note it down. Okay, this is the fifth question in exercise and a final question in the exercise and chapter also, right? Yeah, see, is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meters and area 400 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. See, is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meters and area 400 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. A rectangle is there, its perimeter be 80 meters and area be 400 meters square. Is it possible to design that type of rectangle? Let us find. Right? Yeah. Solution. Perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter of the rectangle is equal to how much? 80 meters has given. Here perimeter means actually what is the formula? 2 into L plus B is equal to 80. So L plus B is equal to 80 by 2, that is equal to 40 meters. So length plus breadth is equal to 40 meters. Let us breadth of the rectangle be x meters. Let breadth of the rectangle be x meters. So that implies length how much? Length, here length plus breadth is equal to 40 actually. Suppose the breadth of the rectangle we have taken as x, then length is equal to is 40 minus x or not? 40 minus x meters. Right. Now area is equal to area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle is equal to what is the formula? L into B. So length is equal to 40 minus x into breadth is equal to x, that is equal to 40x minus x square. Right. So according to the problem, area of the rectangle is equal to how much has given? 400 meters square. Right. So according to the problem, area of the rectangle is 400 meters square has given. Here area of the rectangle is equal to 40x minus x square. Both are equal or not? Exactly equal. According to the problem, 40x minus x square is equal to 400. Right. So I'll do here this one. This is equal to my 40 minus x square transfer into this side. This will be 400 minus 40x plus x square is equal to 0. So it is also can be written as x square minus 40x plus 400 is equal to 0. So this type of rectangle exists or not? Let us find the factors of 400. Right. So it has, if it has real roots, then it may possible, otherwise not possible. Right. Yeah. See, 400 means 20 is a 400. Next to 20 plus 20 is equal to 40. It is getting no. So it has real roots. That's why the design of this rectangle will be possible. Let us find. So b square minus 4ac, let us find delta value is equal to minus b square means minus 40 whole square minus 4ac, 4 into a, 1 into 400. So that is equal to, this is 1600 minus 1600. So 1600 minus 1600 is 0. So delta is equal to 0. Therefore it has real roots. So design is possible. The design of the rectangle is possible. Now let us find the factors. See, x square minus 40x plus 400 is equal to 0, no? So it is in the form of, see, x square minus 2 into x into 20 plus 20 square is equal to 0, right? 2 20 is a 40, 40x, 20 square means 400. Now it is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is a minus b whole square. See, this is x minus 20 whole square is equal to 0. So x minus 20 is equal to 0. X is equal to 20. X is equal to 20. X means what we have taken? Yes, breadth of the rectangle. Breadth of the rectangle is 20. Therefore, rectangles rectangles breadth is equal to 20 meters. Then length is equal to how much? 40 minus x, 40 minus 20, this is also equal to 20 meters. Have you understood clearly? Yes, note it down. Okay friends, if you like my video, please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.